Another one is the backlight panel. For backlight panel, we have two series by installation. One is universal, and the other is resist. The universal means it can be resist, surface, or hanging. The thickness of the body is 0.25 mm after film, with the lens inside. The material of the PCB is aluminum. And the luminous result is very soft, glare-free, no lighting support. The height is only 20 mm. So we can load one container in 6,800 pieces.
Attention please, it is a new item. Please remember that we have 1,000 USD as the new product discount for this fair.
Yes. So the next one is the resist panel. We have two series by height difference. One is 20 mm and another is 30 mm. The thickness of the body is 0.25 to 0.35 mm as customers request. The technology of this panel is same as the universal, just a different market request. It is very popular in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Chinese local market. The packing solution, it is 1 pieces, 1 shrink packing, and 10 pieces in 1 carton.
I see. Now let's go to the workshop. Peter and me will show you the details. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hello everyone, I'm Summer. Today, nice to see you. Let me show you two main production chains in our factory. In order to get more information about them, I invited Peter, the sales engineer, has been working in Xinhua for more than 13 years, right?
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, hi Peter. So we are going to workshop A1. Would you like to introduce the production line to us?
Yes, of course.
So
warmly welcome to Xinhua. My name is Peter. Before we go to the workshop, I want to share with you some information. At first, here, this workshop is the beginning of the handle part of Xinhua's panels. Later on, we will show you the material cutting and punch and welding. This is the first point.
Yeah.
Second point, in last 3 to 4 years, Xinhua invests 3 to 4 million US dollars per year to improve the machine to be auto machine. So later on, you will show a lot of auto machines.
Okay.
This is the second point. The third point is for the production capacity in this workshop is 90,000 to 120,000 pieces per day. As the industrial report, we should be like one of the biggest factory in China, even in the world for this product.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
You can see these lines. Before we need 6 workers, but now with this machine, now we need only 1 worker to handle it. So the efficiency is much more higher than before. 稍微等一下哈。You can see this version. Actually, it is a new technology in this industry. Before we use hand or powder coating, but now we use the plastic film. Actually, it has two advantages. Firstly, it has more higher lumen efficiency. For the traditional panels, normally the lumen efficiency like 70 to 80 lumen per watt. But now this material can be 10% higher than before. This is the first point. Second point is the safety is much more higher than before because it's plastic on the body. Okay, let's go.
Or forwarding.
Now I want to show you. This machine is the laser machine for the welding of the frame. This is the advanced technology in this industry now. Okay, let's go. After the welding, then we go to another workshop to see the product, how to make the painting.
So everyone, we are in the workshop C1 now. Hi Peter. Yeah, so this working design seems great. Can you tell me how do you get this idea?
Yes, this design is from our owner, Sam Lu.
Yep.
When this factory be built 10 years ago, actually Sam Lu has his experience in this industry. He made this design. You can see when the product after welding, then sent to this workshop by high temperatures toasting, then painting, then you can see all is by auto machine sent to different workshops. Here totally have 10 lines, and we can make the powder coating and the paint coating. You can see come inside. I will show you.
What a smart solution.
Yes. You can see all is by auto machine to different workshops. The panels, bracket, downlight, all is by auto machine. Okay, then let's go another workshop.
Okay.
This way, please. Now we are going to building B. Later on we will show you the workshop for the assembly for installation.
So many panel lines.
Now we are in the workshop for the installation about the panels.
Yes. Okay. So Peter, can you introduce this panel light to us about this panel light? What is the thickness of the body and the frame? How about the diffuser?
Yes, of course. Actually, Xinhua's panel have different levels as the quality.
Yep.
So the range we have is 0.2 to 0.6 millimeter for the body.
Yep.
And for the frame, the thickness we have is 0.4 to 0.6 millimeter. And for the diffuser, the thickness we have is 0.6 to 1.6 millimeter.
Okay, so how about the PCB board? What is it made of? And LED chips? What LED chips do we use?
For the PCB board, the material we use is aluminum. Of course, we have some like fiberglass,
Yeah.
even FPC. And for the chips, now we use mainly like 2H35, 3030, 2H37, something.
Okay, so as I know, this product we have patent, right?
Yes.
Can you show me where this point?
Yes, because as you know, this one we put the plastic film here.
Yeah.
But before, for the traditional one, lot of factories use the paint coating or powder coating.
Yeah.
If we use the free plastic film, so it is very difficult to make them punch
Yeah. That's right.
because it's very ugly. So we use rivet here to fix two borders.
Yo.
So we have the patents for this design.
Oh.
So it means other factory cannot make it in next 10 years.
Okay, so we should classify here. This product has patent. Yes.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, thank you. So about the how many watt do we have? How many lumen efficiency?
For the power, Xinhua's product have 24 watt, 36 watt, 48 watt, 72 watt, and 100 watt. And for the lumen efficiency, the range we have from 75 lumen per watt to 110 lumen per watt.
Oh, high enough. So how about the how about the quality? Oh, sorry. So we want to know if the product can pass the safety regulation, how many high voltage and surge can withstand?
For surge test, about the L and N, we can pass 1,000. And for the PY, we can pass 2,000. This is for surge.
Yeah.
For hyper test, now our qualities can pass 1,500. All this is as IEC standard.
Oh, cool. So how many capacity do we have per day? How long is the delivery time?
For the production capacity, now for this workshop, I mean for the surface panels and the prismatic panel, one day we can produce 25,000 to 35,000 pieces. And so for the delivery time, we can control to 25 to 35 days
Yeah.
after your confirmation about the packing and the order.
Okay, so how about the warranty time? Do we have? How about how warranty do we have? How long is the lifetime?
For current panels, we can guarantee 2 years, and for the lifetime, now for current quality, we can it is 15,000 hours.
Okay, about the capacity. We produce so many today. How to control the quality?
Here totally we have 26 lines, but we have more than 30 QC men to control the quality.
36. Yeah.
30.
Oh,
30.
30. 30.
Yes, 30 to control 30 QC men to control the quality. And for the product, we have 3 steps to control the quality. For first step, for the main part of the product, like driver, PCB, chips, wires, it should be 100% inspected before they come in this workshop.
Yeah.
And for second step, just before packing, everyone should be inspected. You can see there. Yes, we should make some confirmation. So you can see there. This is the second step. Yeah. And for the third step is the product in the storehouse or QC department should make the inspection as ETL standard. If they find some product defect, Of course, they should take them, ask the production department to take them outside and make the reproduction.
So, how many production lines do we have? How many workers?
As I told you just now we have 26 lines and more than 300 workers only for installation.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Peter. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
telling us
Thank
so
you.
much.